Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll guide you through creating a covered call strategy using the Questrade Edge Platform. A covered call is an options strategy where you hold a long position in an asset and sell call options on that same asset. This approach can be used to potentially generate income from the option premium. It's particularly useful when there's a modestly bullish outlook on the market, and you expect a stock's price to gradually rise. To get started, please open your Edge desktop app and log in. Once you're in, click Order Entry to begin the process. Next, enter the symbol of the security you're interested in trading. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. Then, click the button next to the search window and select Strategy from the drop-down menu. Next to that, choose Covered Call. Now, you can select the quantity of shares, the expiration date for the options you're selling, the strike price, the price at which you're willing to sell, and the option type. At the bottom of the window, you also have the ability to choose between a market order or a limit order. Specify how long you'd like your order to remain active, as well as select your preferred routing type. Once you've configured your order to your desired specifications, click Send Order. A pop-up window will then appear, displaying the details of your order, such as the trade value and the impact on your buying power. If everything looks correct, click Send Order again to confirm. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade account, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.